reload them.
Is it ready to fire already?
We're ready. Same time.
Oh my God, it's gonna hurt. I can already tell you it's gonna hurt.
Do it.
Both at the same time.
I got
Same
you.
time. Stepping back.
What is it? Is it on fire?
You got the safety on?
I can't really position my fingers good enough. Shoot both the same time. I don't think you can.
You can. You got it
Is-
like this.
Is it on safety?
Is there an S?
I see it is, yeah.
Then no. Yes, it is. So
It's
push
ready
it
to
up.
fire?
No, it's not. So push it up. There you go. Now it's ready.
Pull them both.
Oh!
Oh my
Oh,
God.
Oh god.
That did not feel the greatest.
Did he actually shoot both?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Nice. Just pull it back.
Did it kick?
Yeah, pull it all the way down.
There you go.
Fantastic.
Woo!
I'm gonna.
Hey, don't let Luke whoop you out.
So you gotta push it up for it to fire. Or is it on fire now?
It's on safe now. Yeah, push it up.
I got you.
See the little things on there?
I might. I'll shoot that.
Try and hit those. Try and actually aim with this thing.
I see the little thing. My arm still hurt.
Mine's still
Shooting
hurts.
both of them, Luke?
Do the same.
No, I'm not shooting both
Do
of
it
them.
again.
No. Shoot one.
You did good, Luke.
I'm gonna do that again.
Completely missed.
Epic.
Kick your shoulder.
Which one is it? Are they almost gone?
We got like 2 more rows left.
Oh. We'll keep 2 in there for Paul.
He told us.
The ball.
For the next day. No, he didn't go. He said he
Shoot it one-handed.
Oh, you shoot it one-handed.
Yeah.
You'll drop it, actually.
No, I won't.
called him. He
Do
said,
it.
"Oh, man, I'm over here."
Okay.
Oh my god! I'm not doing that.
It's okay, bro.
What triggers this first one?
First one goes in the right, I believe, right?
Huh?
Just
Don't test it.
it's no. What did you put it in?
Yeah, I put the bullet in this side.
Try
We'll
this.
try the first one. The ball lands. We'll pick up the ball again.
Yeah, it's no big
This
deal.
one.
Try the first one.
Okay.
Oh, dodge that one.
Epic fail.
We did the same thing.
Okay.
Ready?
Oh, wait. Hit.
Yep.
Good work.
$2 more.
That's fine.
These were $10.99.
Damn it.